Hello, welcome to Personal Archive. This is Treasure Trove of History. Featured today is a coin from pre-partition India having the denomination of 8 annas. On this face of the coin, we have the denomination written in 5 different languages. On top, it is in Urdu, then we have it in a local dialect of regional Indian language, and here at the bottom we have it written in a variant of Indonesian, while here it is in the Devanagari script. Right in the middle we can see it being written in English. Just for a recap, there are 16 annas in a rupee, so this coin resultantly was equal to half a rupee in value. We can also see the year it was minted, that is 1919. It is the year when British Empire had her strongholds firmly entrenched in South Asia. Also, the 4 languages on the coin clearly indicate the vastness of the area and subjects for whom this coin was meant. And then, when we turn the face of the coin, we are encountered by the engraved figure of the then monarch of the British Empire. The inscription reads, George V, King Emperor. The king has the royal crown firmly settled on his head, which later made its way to the next monarch in 1952 after his death. And that monarch was his daughter, Queen Elizabeth. She still lives and reigns UK and England.